So in this video, we are required to find the GCF, also known as HCF, of this set of expressions. Okay. Now, don't forget, GCF is the product of the smallest power of the common prime factors. And of course, we are not dealing with numbers here, so we are focusing on the smallest power of the common factors. So what is the common factor here? We have x minus y here. Do we have x minus y? So we have what? X minus y, right? Then x plus y, there's x plus y. We also have what? X plus what? Y. So these are the common factors. Now we are focusing on the smallest power. So between x minus y, this is s minus y squared, this is s minus y, this is s minus y raised to power 1. So the smallest power is s minus y raised to power 1. Then for the second one, x plus y, right? This is s plus y raised to power 3. So we focus on x plus y. So basically, this is the GCF of this set of factors. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.